Hey everyone, today on the 2-Minute Travel Trailer Tuesday, I want to go over the brand new 19BH by Sunset Park RV. This thing's only 2,880 pounds and it's a nice bunkhouse that sleeps 4 to 6 people. So let's check this camper out and let me know what you think. This 19BH comes in at 21 foot 8 inches long, comes with a 2-inch ball up front, manual tongue jack, battery disconnect switch, 20-pound propane tank, and a spot for a battery. Over on the side we have our outside storage. This is not pass-through, it's only one side, but the hole underneath. We have 4 stabilizer jacks at each corner, 1 at each corner, 4 total. Windows, air conditioner, fire escape window. We have a gutter system up top, walkable roof, solar panel with 100 watts. Here's our 30-amp power cord, coaxial cable for TV or satellite, dump station, gray is okay, black is for crap, low point drains, corner bumper for storage, external shower, water connections, water heater with 6 gallons, bird poop, camera prep, spare tire, nice 2-step solid step entrance. Going inside, we'll see the single over single bunks ahead of us. Back rear corner bathroom with plenty of room to move around for us. Dinette that flips down into a bed. Cabinetry above with a 5,000 BTU AC. Full-size bed up front. 12-volt fridge. Storage over top of your kitchen, full kitchen, heat, air conditioning. On the outside, we have a 12-foot electric awning. Thanks for sticking around and watching the 2-Minute Travel Trailer Tuesday. I hope you like the 19BH by Sunset Park. Come back next week and subscribe to follow along. Thanks for watching.